Hello friends, see numericals. Example first, calculate the root mean square velocity of oxygen molecules in lungs at normal body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. Means from this problem it is clear that we have to calculate RMS velocity, that is root mean square velocity U of oxygen molecule. Means you know oxygen is inhaled by our body in the lungs, okay, and the normal body temperature is of 37 degrees Celsius. Means given data is, first of all we have to calculate the RMS velocity. Root mean square velocity is denoted by U. Since it is velocity, that's why it unit MKS SI unit is meter per second. This you have to calculate. And the molecule, given molecule is oxygen. Given molecule is oxygen. You know O2 molecule is given, that's why since O2 is given, the molecular weight of O2, what is it? It will be 32 grams. No doubt it will be 32 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. Means this CGS system, it is in MKS system. Now temperature of body is 37 degrees Celsius. Again convert this degree Celsius into SI system. That's why add 273. It will be in Kelvin and it will be 310 Kelvin. Now all are in SI system. Now later on, what is formula? You know the formula for RMS velocity. RMS velocity, that is U is equals to thrice RT upon M. You know where, what is R? R is gas constant and its MKS value is 8.314. So many joules per Kelvin per mole. Then T is temperature. It is given temperature of body here. Temperature of body in this formula, it will be 37 degrees Celsius, that is equals to 310 Kelvin. And M is molecular weight of gas, here molecular weight of oxygen, and it will be 32 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per mole. Now put all this value. U equals to 3 into R, 8.314 into 310 divided by molecular weight, it will be 32 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into under root. Now multiplication of 3 into 8.314 into 310 will be 7732. What is it? Its value will be 7732. And the remaining value is as it is. Remaining values are as it is, 32 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now solve this. Here this 10 raised to power minus 3 is at the denominator. When it comes to numerator, it will be positive. That's why under root 10 raised to power plus 3. And after this calculation, 7732 divided by 32, it will be 241.6 into 10 raised to power 3. Again For simplicity, we have to convert this power from 10 raised to power 3 to 10 raised to power 4. That's why shift here point, and point will be shifted in a such a way that 24.16. Since this point comes to left side, then power will be increased. That's why this term 10 raised to power 4 when comes out of this under root, then it will be, what is it, 24.16 under root, and it will be 10 raised to power 2. Now under root of 24.16, if it is taken in a calculator, it will be 4.91 into 10 raised to power 2 so many meter per second. Now this is the value of RMS velocity when lung oxygen is absorbed in the lungs at temperature 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. समझ में आया? देखो प्रॉब्लम में RMS वेलोसिटी निकालना है. अपने को RMS वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला पता है. ये फॉर्मूले में R की वैल्यू गैस कांस्टेंट 8.314 जूल्स पर केल्विन पर मोल होती है, स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू. Temperature given is 37 degree Celsius. It is in MK system, it will be 310 Kelvin. Then molecular weight. You must know the molecular weight of gas like N2, H2, O2, CO2. It is very easy to calculate. Oxygen, molecule O2. Atomic weight of oxygen 16. Since O2, that's why 16 multiplied by 2, it will be 32. It is in CGS. Later on it will be converted into kg, then it will be 32 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg per mole, because molecular weight is for 1 mole. That's why. Now after this, putting all this value, these are the calculations. These 3 multiplied, this 3 multiplication gives value 7732. Again this 10 raised to power minus 3, it is at denominator. When it comes to numerator, it will be positive, remaining 32 as it is. Divide 7732 by 32, then it will be 241.6 into 10 raised to power 3. But in order to simplify or solve further this 10 raised to power 3, in order to get it out of this under root sign, here if it is converted into 10 raised to power 4, then it will be half as 10 raised to power 2. If so, here 10 raised to power 6, then it will be 10 raised to power 3. Means in order to get it in out of bracket under root. Now here there is a shifting of point. In order to convert this 3 into 4, this point shifted to left side. Then after calculating this under root of 24.16, the value will be 4.91. Remaining term remains as it is. Since all is in SI system, that's why the final answer is 41.91 into 10 raised to power 2 meter per second. It is the calculated value of RMS velocity when oxygen molecule in the lungs at normal temperature 37 degrees Celsius. See example second. Calculate RMS velocity of oxygen molecule. Here given molecule is oxygen. What we have to calculate? RMS velocity. If the density of hydrogen at 0 degrees Celsius and at 1 atmospheric pressure, means here temperature and pressure both are given. What is the value of density? It will be 9 into 10 raised to power minus 5 gram per cubic centimeter. First of all, see formula. You know formula. What is formula? Formula for RMS velocity. RMS velocity, that is U is equals to thrice RT upon M. In previous example, you know R is gas constant 8.314 joules per Kelvin okay, per mole. T is a temperature. Here temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Then m is molecular weight. Okay, but here molecular weight is known to you, R is known to you, T is known to you, but here density is given. That's why we have to convert this in terms of density. You know what is ideal gas equation? PV equals to nRT. But here this thrice RT is there. That's why PV equals to thrice RT. Means instead of thrice RT we may put PV. That's why thrice PV upon M. Getting it? ये फार्मूला कैसा ट्रांसफर हुआ समझ में आया? Because you know the ideal gas equation PV equals to thrice RT. That's why instead of thrice RT it will be PV. Remaining terms remains as it is. Now again you know mass upon volume is nothing but density. That's why when this V comes at the denominator, then you may write this equation M upon V. M upon V. Means meaning is same. Thrice P multiplied by V upon M. Okay. But this mass upon volume is nothing but density. That's why thrice P upon D. And what is D? D is a density. Now, what is given data? See, given data. In given data, the molecule, given molecule is, which molecule is there? Molecule is hydrogen. Okay. Then density 9 into 10 raised to power minus 5, so many gram per cubic centimeter. Then temperature 0 degree Celsius, means it will be 0 degree Celsius plus 273. That's why it will be 273 Kelvin. Then pressure is 1 atmosphere. This 1 atmospheric pressure you have to transfer into dyne per centimeter square, and it will be, after transferring this into dyne per centimeter square, it will be 76 into 10 in 981 into 13.6, so many dyne per centimeter square. Okay, since 1 atmosphere equals to 76 mm, that's why this mm is converted into cm as 76 into 981 into 13.6, so many dyne per centimeter square. See here this is in Cesius system, since gram, here dyne Cesius system, यहाँ पर अपन Cesius system में सब conversion कर रहे हैं. Now density is known to you, pressure is known to you, then what must be known to you? Then you are able to find out the value of U. Put all these values in given formula. U equals to thrice under root of thrice. What is the value of P? P is nothing but 76 multiplied by 13.6 multiplied by 981 divided by, what is the value of density? It will be 9 into 10 raised to power minus 5. All are in Cesius system. That's why what is the unit of U? It will be centimeter per second. Now, after this, simple calculations are there. 3 multiplied by 76 multiplied by 13.6 multiplied by 981, and this value will be 304,1884. 304,1884.8. Remaining 9 into 10 raised to power minus 5. But when this minus 5 comes to numerator, it will be 10 raised to power 5. Now after this, see, 304,1884.8 divided by 9, then it will be comes out to be 33798. 33798.1 into 10 raised to power 6 after conversion. Then after solving this becomes 1.83 183 into 10 raised to power 3 so many centimeter per second. This is the value, final value of RMS velocity.